Dr. Pie, could you show some progress on your YouTube API, download description and then upload description projects? Thanks, bye, don't forget to subscribe, bye.
Hello everybody. Right, well, cut the nonsense, let's get straight to it, shall we? We're looking at YouTube data APIs and coding with Python. So if you're interested in any of that, then keep watching. If you're not, then, well, see you around. Yeah, okay, so we've made some progress. I've found on GitHub a sample Python script which is called update_video.py, and yeah, I'm going to try and use this because I've written all the code which downloads descriptions, downloads thumbnails, and appends the descriptions and saves as a JSON file. So we've got all the data we need and we've amended the data, so we've got it, we've changed it, and ideally we would like to then put it back up. That's going to be, I think that's going to be slightly more tricky because it's not something I've done before, and there's some stuff with authentication, get_authenticated service. I think I've got problems with that, and I suspect I'm probably getting into rarefied air with this because let's have a look. We've got get_authenticated service, credentials equal flow run console, and yeah, it's falling over here basically. So if you remember, my script, which uses a Google API, it goes off and it makes an object, and then it runs all of these methods. So it makes a directory, destination directory, saves the video descriptions, saves the thumbnails, it appends additional text, which you see there, and you saw that in a previous video. So yeah, that's just a recap on what my code does. That's fully working, and today I've just added one extra little bit to add the ID, the video ID, because I was just enumerating and using just a basic integer for the video, as I was using that as the key for the value in the dictionary. However, I've now modified that to use the video ID. The video ID is about 20 characters long, and it's got lots of V's in it. Let me show you. There we go. See that there? VVV, ODK, blah, blah, blah. That is the video ID. You see ID there in quotes. So that's the key, and then that's the value. So far so good with that. Oh, happy with that. That's now displaying in... Let's just run it, shall we? That's what you want to see. Do you want to name the folder of the downloads? Yeah. What should we call it? Let's call it banana. Do you want to save the descriptions? Yeah. Those are all the Dr. Pie videos. Do you want to save the thumbnails? No, because it'll take too long. And there you can see, it's just taking a while because there's 100 and something. But there you go. You can see inside the first lot of asterisks, that's the video ID each time. That's the video title. That's the video description. And that's the new bit which I'm appending to the old video description. So what we want to do is upload the new description to that video ID. So I won't labour that point because you've probably all got the hang of that. So today I've started using the update video code. Sample usage here, Python update video pi -- video underscore ID equals video ID. That's all good. I think we've got that correct. So I just wanted to get past the authentication stage basically. Lots of stuff to do and set up there. Read all those notes if you want. Client underscore secret JSON. I think this is where it's falling over, and my next step is to try and troubleshoot that somehow. So if I switch over to my other screen, hopefully you're now watching screen 3. You can't see my API keys because it's put some dots in the middle. OAuth 2.0. So I've created a client ID. If you click on that download link, you can download the JSON file. So that's what I've got. You create client ID, client credentials. I've found some sample JSON files, and mine look similar to this, which is installed rather than the web application. I think that's right. Oh yeah, pip install Google OAuth lib. I had to install that. You don't want to see that. And then the API sample. Yeah, that's the same script. Right, back to screen 1. And I'll just show you it running actually. So that was sudo python 3 update video pi -- video ID. Just sudo. Right. And thus, I'm not going to show you my authorization code, but that is what I get prompted to visit, and then asks you to open the link. Firefox is not that quick on this VM. Apologies for that. Hopefully this is of some use to some of you. I think I'm... So you go there and it prompts you to accept or allow allow your app permission to your YouTube channel basically. So there we go, that's it today. I'm off to go and bang my head against a brick wall, or lots probably, drink tea, ponder the origins of the universe, play chess on my mobile phone. Why am I doing this? Yeah, that's a very good question. I'm doing this because I created a mirror on Epico for Maxime Korsh, Code Monkey King, and I just thought he's got a lot of videos, I've got a lot of videos, both over 100 videos on our channel each, and I thought it would be a good idea to automate the updating of the descriptions to include the new link to the mirror of Epico, which we've now created, so there's a mirror to the original. So wanted to put that in the description as well. I've pretty much worked out how to, or I've shown how to download, get the description, amend the description, and this is the final stage, just to re-upload the description. So if anybody's got any help with this or knows any good links or videos showing how this is done, it'd be really appreciated. And yeah.
If anybody would like to help Dr. Pi before he goes mental, please do contact him via the comments in the YouTube comments bit, please. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe!